Hello guys. For today's video, we are going to discuss the five concept of programming and database. But before we proceed, what is the programming and database methods in the language? Programming is the process of writing instruction or code in a computer that can understand and execute to solve a problem or a specific task. The language are used in various such as C Sharp, SQL, and other apps and website that we can use to manage our system. Then it will be application system ensuring the integrity, security, and consistency. Um, the okay, here are the five concept of programming, which is the variables, cons control structure, data structure, function, loops, or iteration. What is variable? Variable are named storage locations that hold data which can be changed during the program execution. Um, Variable are the symbolic name or the reference in information which is and this ex- and the example are a plus b, then the opposite variables is a when then the a and b are both variables. Then the second one of our concept of programming is the control structure. This structure like if, else, and switch statement control the flow of execution in program, allowing it to make decision and repeat action. Sa control structure naman po is ito naman po yung the word that can emphasize the expression which is to us to program. Then the examples of that is the true, then the action of one, then the false action number two, then they are contained as the both conditions of our system. Then the number three is the data structure. Data structure is the organized ways of storing and managing data like arrays, lists, and trees that help efficiently access and process information. Then the information in a variable are held because they are includes the character number, boolean, and string. This contain as state as the storage format. Ibig sabihin daw po is ang data structure daw po is the array which na ginagamit natin para ma-organize yung ating program. Then ang katulad po niyan is the which is the characters of our system, numbers, boolean, string. Then they are contained as the the root of our program or the system important concept. Then the third one is the function. Function are the reusable block of code that perform specific tasks, making program more modular and organized. Function is the self-contained module in code. Then it is it calls the process data in the sub steps, which is the output of the system or the database that we can include it though. So from this five concept of programming, they are also be ensuring our integrity, then the security, consistency. Napapanatili po ng sa programming ng limang konsepto na to na nagbibigay ng seguridad at integridad para mas maging consistency yung ating ginagawang system or yung ating ginagawang program. Then the loops or the iterations. These structures allow set of instruction to be executed repeatedly, either a fixed number of times or until a condition is met. Then that looping are the repeat from the word repeatedly. They are repeat process by the containing by loops and iteration in the same given process. Ibig sabihin po is the loops is yung pinapaulit-ulit po yung mga salita or the character that included in the database which we can easily to understand our system. Dako na po tayo sa the 5 concept of database. The first one is data models, schemas, data normalization, SQL, and NoSQL database. The first one is the data models. These are the frameworks that define how data is organized and related with a database, such as relational models, object-oriented models, or NoSQL models. These data models are from the word organized and related within a database. It means ito yung nagbibigay ng buhay dun sa ating ginagawang database, katulad ng mga attributes, entities, and relation, which is the main reason why our database are the easily to read and easily to understand on what the application or what the main meaning of our database. Then from these relational models and object-oriented models, they also be relation with each other, which means that they are easily to form or the organized with the related topic or the related models. Then number 2 is schemas. Schemas is the structure or the blueprint of a database, defining its table, columns, data types, and relationship. From the word blueprint of database, it will gives the database emphasize and easily to understand too. Then ginagamit nito is the tables and columns, data types, and relationship. Ang katulad po nito is yung ginagawa po namin sa SQL, which is the tables. We are accurately create a table, columns, data types just to see if our code or if our code or our program must be consolidated and emphasizeful. Then it is the thing that include database examples are the student course, then and the top is the create table, second one is create columns, then and the lastly is the relationship. Then the third one is the data normalization. This process organizes data in database to minimize redundancy and dependencies, improving data integrity and efficiency. Kagaya nga po ng nasabi ko kanina, katulad din po to ng data models that organize data, and it helps us to improving data by our showing on what we included in our code. Then the fourth one is the SQL, or the structured query language, is the standard language used for managing and querying relational database, allowing users to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data. From this step, it is the managing or querying database that helps us to, or tinutulungan tayo para mas maging accurate yung ating ginagawang database. Ang katulad niyan is yung ginawa namin sa CRUD, which is the nag-conduct kami ng or or gumawa kami ng insert, update, then the delete data. Then pag sinabing SQL, these are the steps which is containing our step-by-step focus on the relational database. Then NoSQL database. These are non-relational database that are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-unstructured data, offering flexibility and scalability. From the word large volumes, it will be more organized compared to SQL, because NoSQL database are the database that will be structured by other step or designing that we can included. What I mean is NoSQL database is the more organized, then I think it is more easily to offering our flexibility than scalability. I hope you have learned from my video. Then I wish that this discussion will help you to understand on what the 5 concepts of the programming and database. Then it and from this learning these 5 concepts, it will ensure us to easily to create future coding. Then it will help us to be more manageable and more enhanceful to deliver on what our database that we are made. Then tinutulungan nito tayo para maging emphasize sa mga database na ginagawa natin. Pwede tayo dito magawa ng iba't ibang mga design, or pwede natin gawa ng upang mapalawak yung ating ginagawang database. Yun lamang po, and thank you.